Hi, I've got my copy of X11 open. I drew a little box and put a stair in it. And there's a wall underneath there. I'm going to take the fill out of the stairs so you can see it. There we go. Yeah, there's the wall. We drag it out here. And this is, well, I had it under the stairs so it was conformed to the stairs. Let me fix that. I'm going to open that and go to the structure tab. Oh, I thought it would, okay, no big deal. Anyway, there it is out there. I'm going to open it and reprogram it. See, right now it's no locate. That's the reason I had that dash line style in it. Okay, now it's just a plain old interior wall. I'm going to take it and drag it over here under the stairs. Yeah, right under the edge. Now I want you to see this. I've got it right under the outer edge of the wall, is at the outer edge of the stair. Now I'm going to take that wall, open its dialog box, and we'll go over to rail style and make it a railing, solid, and follow stairs. Let's see what we get. Okay. Now I'm going to take this wall and tweak it one arrow key to the right. And we'll check it again. Okay, do that again. Let's see, tab key, there we go. I'm going to put it just on the outside of the wall of the stair. Yeah, voila. The key to this is its position relative to the stairs. And so if you don't immediately get exactly what you want, then move it around with the arrow keys. The arrow keys, there's an up arrow key, down arrow key, and left and right. I was using the left and right to adjust minutely this wall. If you want to control the motions of the arrow key, that's set over here under use snap grids, and that's currently by default it's set to 1 inch. You can change it to 1/16 if you want to make, if you need very fine tweaks. I don't use grid snaps, but I'll check it and then change the value, and then once the value is changed, that'll stick whenever you use the arrow keys to move a selected object. Anyway, this works pretty slick, and this is X11, so it's just a matter of how you do it, and you tweak it until you get the exact look that you want, okay? Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.